I'm Parth Podar. I'm 17 years old and I'm from the Cathedral and John Connon School, Mumbai. Today we're going to a village called Vankhal in Gram Panchayat Kalote for an SUPW program wherein our school has adopted the village.
The objective of this camp is to really make a difference, which is what our school stands for. We stand to educate people not only with subjects but also with their rights, and that's why we have girls and boys who are working together, and we're working with villages, and we're trying to really make a difference. We're trying to reduce the rural and urban gap, reduce the income inequalities, and really make a difference. And that starts at a very young age, and that's what school's trying to do.
All of us are really interested and we're really excited about this whole trip. So basically we have 6 things to do. One is a compulsory activity, that is planting saplings for the village. So as soon as we reach there, we're going to get working on that.
Another group is doing the baseline survey, and the baseline survey basically entails going door to door and finding out the information of that demography, and then basically once we understand their awareness levels, we know how to help them to raise those awareness levels or to change misconceptions that they may have, and just to educate them in general. I'm teaching, and what my friends and I have done is all of us have discussed what we're going to teach, so that we have like a few groups. One is going to teach English, one is going to teach math, like basic English and basic math, and one group is going to do like art and craft activities.
The third thing that we're doing is resource mapping. So basically, a bunch of us are going to walk around the village, look at all the resources that are available in the village, and then map it out in the form of a rangoli. Last activity is the community kitchen, where a few of us have got our own supplies to make khichdi for the rest of the village. So we've got rice, dal, tomatoes, and other stuff. And so this is an act. So we're actually going to cook for the whole village. So I think that's really exciting.
We'll be organizing a street play to make them aware of a social cause, and which will be something like the importance of the girl child, or it'll be against child marriage. So that's to basically get them into the more modern life and tell them, uplift them, change their beliefs in a way if we can.
नाटक देखो नाटक
आप कौन हैं?
जी सुनते हो बेटा क्या बताऊं
मेरा नाम अंकुश बाबू आगे है। मैं खेतीबाड़ी का काम करता हूँ और अपने गांव के लिए सके अपने गांव को विकास करने के लिए वो आए हैं। स्कूल में बच्चे भेजो, इसे सिखा रहे, वो अच्छा लगता है हमको।
We thought that we'd go there and we'd teach them the way that we'd been taught when we were kids. What we didn't realize was that we had parents at home with a full control over the English language who were helping us. We had like, all the help that we could possibly ask for at our disposal, even at the age of 3 and 4. Whereas these children, whatever they wanted to learn, they had to learn by themselves because like when I conducted the baseline survey, both the children in that house were already more educated than their parents and their grandparents, which means that there's no real support coming from the family because they couldn't really aid the children. So I was talking to one girl and she said that she's in the 5th standard and to go to school she has to walk for 2.5 hours in the morning. And so she leaves the house at 7 o'clock to get to school at 9:30, and school's only for 2 hours. So she actually walks 5 hours to get 2 hours of education. And she's maybe 5 or 6 years younger than I am. And the fact that she does this every morning without fail and still wants to go to school, it's just so different than all of us who have various schools to choose from. And even then, we're always looking for an excuse not to study.
We were a little apprehensive and so were the villagers, but gradually as we progressed through the day, maybe after an hour or so, we both got comfortable with each other, and especially after the planting activity was over, we really got into the swing of things, so things became much easier and much more fun. And I do think that what we did was at large very productive, especially with the street plays in the end, where we had Dhruv summarizing important social causes that we touched upon and reiterating them for the village, as well as the representative of Anant Vikas bringing out the points, summarizing them and conveying them to the villagers. So I really do think that hopefully we made a small change for the better in the lives of the villagers.